I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make a pork roast, but we're going to make it a little different. A couple of days ago I was talking with my stepmother on the phone and she told me about this recipe. She said she found it on the Mr. Food program, you know, the Ooh, It's So Good guy. And she made it and it was wonderful. So I'm trying it this evening. I have most of the ingredients. And the ones I don't have, I'm going to substitute. So I'll tell you when I substitute something, okay? First thing I'm doing is I'm browning this pork roast in a hot skillet with olive oil. I've already put salt, pepper, and garlic over it and seasoned it. And I'm just waiting for it to brown. So I'll be right back as soon as this thing's browned. Yeah, I think this is brown enough. Now I'm going to try to maneuver it over here to this pan. There. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a bottle of this chili sauce in there. Now, the recipe calls for 2 bottles of chili sauce, but I kind of thought that was overkill. So I'm only using 1. I might regret it, I might not. We'll see what happens. Now the next thing I'm going to do is put 12 ounces of root beer over the top of that. And you can't live in Mississippi without using Barks root beer. Mississippi is where Barks root beer originated. I'm going to pour that. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now the recipe called for Worcestershire sauce, but I didn't have any. So I decided to use soy sauce as somewhat of a substitute. I know it's not exactly the same, but it's what I had and it's brown. And finally, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Louisiana hot sauce. Now, I'm going to try to stir this around a little bit. Flip it around. Oh, it smells good, I'll say that. Now I'm going to stick this in the oven on 350 for about 1.5 hours. What I plan to make with this meal is some cornbread and some quick fried sugar snap peas. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you're having for dinner tonight. Well, everybody, here's the Razzle Dazzle pork. I sliced the meat and I put it back into the gravy and it's simmering on the stovetop now. Did all that after I took it out of the oven, of course. And here's my cornbread. And here is my sugar snap peas. And these things are so stinking good. I love them. So that's dinner at Granny's house tonight. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you again real soon, all right?